Hi everyone, Michelle, Nifty Package Company, creator of FeteTango. Make sure you check it out if you are a creative, like gift wrapping, tree trimming, porch pumpkins, Valentine gifts, floral, anything like that. Sign up for FeteTango. We're in the beta mode. We're finding all the errors so we can make it work and do well and create income for you as a creative. Specifically, this is designed for people like me who are creatives. This is a missing space, so make sure you sign up for there. Number two, let's just talk about a quick short. Important things you need to think about as you're in 2026 or before or moving forward. These are just great things I've learned over the years. So number one, what actions could guarantee failure for my business or me right now? Number two, what blind spots or mistakes would put us on the default path to failure? So you want to pay attention to that because knowledge is power and putting action behind that is even greater. Most importantly, how do I avoid them? So go to your team, go to those that work with you and talk to them about these things and make sure you hammer them out and listen, because so many people that work for others, like my team is a great sounding board. Because if I listen to them, they're the ones working with me day in and day out in this business. They have a lot of knowledge and a lot of wisdom. Most importantly, how do I avoid them? This mindset keeps me sharp, just like it will keep you sharp. And this actually forces me to confront my reality instead of comforting myself with the false optimism. Now, I definitely believe in speaking words out and acting as if I believe in all of that, but there's still a reality to the day-to-day work that you need to do to make sure your business is not on a path to failure. And if it is, that you would clean it up and do the work. And then you have to ask yourself, how bad do I want it and how much am I willing to suffer? So let's go back through those really quick one more time. What actions can guarantee failure for me or us as a business right now? What blind spots or mistakes could put me on the default path to failure? How do I avoid them? Remember, this mindset keeps you sharp, and this forces me to confront my reality instead of comforting myself in a false optimism. Focus is a superpower.